Claudia, tell me about your decision to graduate early from high school and get here enroll early last winter.
Well, I did that because I was really ready for the next step in my career. I really wanted to get in the gym with the coaches and the girls, and I wanted to come early. I thought it would be less overwhelming if I got ready for school and I knew what I was doing before season started. Because right now, even though I've been here, it's still kind of overwhelming. It's a lot.
And now that you've been here a semester under your belt and the season started, did it pay dividends? Do you feel farther along?
I definitely do. I'm much more confident than I was in. I'm definitely much more confident than I was in the spring, and I know what I'm doing, and I'm definitely more comfortable on the court.
And tell me about the national records for digs in high school.
I played libero since I was a freshman in high school, so I racked up a lot of digs as I kept going. And then when our two main hitters graduated, I had to play even more of the back row. So I ended up getting a lot of digs. It was really special. It was really cool that I was able to do that during my high school career.